Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net. Alright, so Friday, September 3rd. We've done these videos in a while, just slowing these down. These are becoming less effective as I thought they would. Just put more energy into the world of digital digital currencies. But let me show you what's been going on. Basically, the market's been up, but it's also down. So we can expect that pretty well in any asset class. As you see here, the only one that's up is NASDAQ up 0.12%. Crude oil is down 0.86. Gold is up 1.16. Silver's doing really well, 3.77%. And the forex is up for both EUR USD. US 10-year is up 2.3%. Pound is up 0.25%. But the USD Japanese yen is down. Looky here. The biggest digital coin out there is doing well, but what's doing even better is the alternative ones. They're doing really well. So this is where your growth is. That's where I'm focusing. The FTSE's down, but the Nikkei was up 2%. So overall, crypto is better, I think, from that perspective. But let's get into the real world instruments here. And let me just sort this. So Australia is coming back, it looks like, as they open. You can see here the Australian Canadian moving up with that long. UK 100s getting weak, 2 shorts there. Brent crude definitely not as strong as you think it should be. France has got some shorts, that's a 40. As you can see here, yes, USD Japanese yen is dropping with a continued short, but gold, Canadian dollar up with a long, euro, and these are tiny, tiny long calls for both gold and euro, pound, Hong Kong, Singapore. I think this is just not a good place to go. Euro, ugh. Okay, so now we're got silver here. The same look, but you can see here that some of these bars are moving. Silver and euro still doesn't really impress me. But Australia, Canada is looking good. China 50. Well, that decline's still going on. Very range bound between 14.9 and declining from 17,000. Again, more shorts for the France 40. The Euro 50 short, so there's a lot of weakness in the market here. Euro and the Swiss francs moving up. Same with the euro and Hong Kong dollar. Interesting combinations there. We're always looking for patterns, but there's no predictable rally here. That's why I'm not a big fan of this stuff anymore. They really stranglehold you on the futures market with the margin requirement and so on. Euro USD is looking good. That, as I said earlier, that may start to rally, so that might mean something, obviously. Hong Kong 33 is very weak and just not going anywhere. Yeah, Singapore 30 is the same, declining really. More shorts for the UK 100. The bonds, U.S. Treasury, 5 years got a long, but it's stable. I mean, that's what we want to see. We don't want to see crazy drops there. WTI, slight long, kind of surprising there. Let's see, we got more of them. So we got 3 of those. Brent crude, not as strong, so it looks like WTI might be better. Okay, here comes some agriculture. It's in decline here, soybean. Wheat has been in a very slight decline with this along there. This is what I don't get. If you show wholesale cost for soybean and wheat, how is there inflation? I really think it's the third parties, retailers that are just jacking up these prices. Australia, Swiss franc's doing good. SP 100 or 500 dropping. Another short for the UK 100. Brent crude. It's not much. So got some more gold calls here, slight long there, better looking, Australian. Same with Canadian. Got a few here for New Zealand. Okay, here's our friend, gold silver ratio. As you can tell here, we had a spike earlier in August from 8th to 22nd. It's been in decline since, which is a good thing, which means the U.S. market should be, or global market should be strengthening. I'd use more of the word stable. So when you look at the 1 week, you can see here it's it's rising. Let me just see if I can get rid of this crap. So there's your increase here. But if you go to the 1 hour, it's declining. 1 day, you can see it better here. So it has been spiking, but it's been dropping as well. This is what you watch to get a general idea overall with the market. And again, that's the gold-silver ratio. When this starts to appear, that's when you take notice. Australia 200, more shorts, mixed there I should say. But Australia looks like it's bouncing back after the severe lockdown they've been in. Some euro, not much. Let's see here. Hong Kong 33, flat, very flat. Taiwan, nice increase there. So that's starting to outperform. And that's been going on with this reversal here, August 19th, from 650 to 700. That's almost 10%. UK 10-year stable, 100 UK 100 stable. US 2000 has been on a nice rally there. That's a Russell. That would make sense with a small cap out there. 30-year stable again with a short. Quite a few of these. And S&P 500 is moving up. But to be truthful, there are better, like Taiwan, that seems to be outperforming. 2-year, all over the place, but it's not, the floor is not collapsing underneath the feet there. More exotic pairs here. WTI looks like it will move up. More longs here. Quite a few actually. Of 3. BCO, same. Here we have soybean declining there. Corn calling for a long, but it's been fallen. And 3 of them. We got a couple of long calls here, but I wouldn't get too serious about it. I wouldn't even consider this. But you can see the general problem. There are some coins doing well. Some instruments doing well, like Taiwan, 10% return. And then here we have another one. You wouldn't think this. The South African Rand priced there at roughly 2. And it's all over the place here. I've got it open at 716. And it's already up to 766, let's say. So that's it. And last one we have is platinum flat just again, the only let me just see. We got copper has declined, has recovered a little bit and gone flat. German 30, very flat. Soybeans been in just nothing but a solid decline. Euro USD, as I said, rallying, so that's definitely taken hold. That's pretty well it. So we'll leave it at that. Make sure you get on my quantlabs.net shop. We're going to be taking away all the discounts you find for the quant analytics come after Labor Day, September 6th. So as of September 7th, those prices will be going up and the discounts won't be so generous. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.